Good morning, everybody. My name is Jashwant, and I'm from 7th Sem CSC. My topic is stream and block ciphers. Stream ciphers convert one symbol of the plain text immediately into one symbol of ciphertext. Block ciphers it work on the given size chunk of data at time. Stream ciphers. So we can see the diagram here. Firstly, we'll input the plain text and we'll input the key. Then we'll do the encryption, and then the ciphertext will be obtained. Advantages of stream ciphers: speed of encryption and decryption. Each symbol encrypted as soon as it is available here. So, and low errors propagation. Error affect only the symbol where the error is occurred. And we can see here some disadvantages of stream ciphers. So we can see low diffusion. Each symbol separately encrypted. Each ciphertext symbol only contains information about the one plain text symbol, and susceptible to insertions and modifications. Not good match for common uses of cryptography. Some disadvantages can be mitigated by use of proper cryptographic mode. And we can see the block, and next concept is block ciphers. So we can see here block ciphers. Firstly, we'll input the plain text and a key will be given. Then after, so we can see here transfer $10, some plain text is given. After inputting the key and the plain text into the encryption, then after encrypting this old data, then the ciphertext will be obtained. So this is how block ciphers are represented in block diagram. And so we can see here, and advantages of block ciphers. So we can see here advantages of block ciphers: diffusion, easier to make a set of encrypted characters depend on each other, and immunity to insertions. Encrypted text arrives in the known lengths, and most common internet crypto done with the block ciphers. 1 bit or 1 byte at a time. So in stream cipher, the only 1 bit or 1 byte is encrypted at a time. So in we can see examples are classical stream ciphers are the auto-keyed Wigner cipher and Van cipher. So block cipher is one in which a block of plain text is treated as whole and used to produce a cipher text block of equal length. So here modern block ciphers. We'll now look at the modern block ciphers. One of the most widely used type of cryptographic algorithm provides secrecy and or authentication services. In particular, we'll introduce DES. DES means data encryption standard. So Claude-Shannon and substitution permutation ciphers. In 1949, Claude-Shannon introduced the ideas of substitution permutation SP networks. Modern substitution transposition product cipher. This forms the basic of modern block ciphers. SP networks are based on the two primitive cryptographic operations we have seen before. So we can see here two operations here: substitution S box and permutation P box. Provide confusion and diffusion of messages. So cipher needs to completely obscure statistical properties of original message. A one-time pad does this. More practically, Shannon suggested combining elements to obtain diffusion. Dissipates the statistical structure of plain text over a bulk of ciphertext. That is, each plain text digit affect the value of many ciphertext digits. Confusion makes relationship between ciphertext and a key as complex as possible. Block cipher principles. So most symmetric block ciphers are based on facial cipher structure needed since must be able to decrypt ciphertext to recover message efficiently. Block ciphers look an extremely large substitution. Block ciphers look like an extremely large substitution would need table of 264 entires for a 64-bit block using IDEA ciphers. So using this idea of product cipher, block cipher modes of operation, mode electronic code book. Mode electronic code book ECB description. Each block of 64 plain text bits is encoded independently using the same key. Typical application: secure transmission of single values and encryption key. See block cipher modes of operation. So we can see here the operations which is done by block cipher modes of operation. So block cipher models of operation here. Mode cipher blockchaining. CBC description: the input to the encryption algorithm is XOR of the next 64 bits of plain text and preceding 64 bits of ciphertext. Typical application: general purpose block orientation, transmission, authentication, etc. Block cipher modes of, see, we can see cipher blockchaining. So this is how the cipher blockchaining will be taking place. So we can see this here. And block cipher modes of operations. Mode cipher of cipher feedback CFB and description. Input is processed j bits at a time. Preceding ciphertext is used as the input to encryption algorithm to produce pseudo output, which is XOR related with the plain text to produce next cipher. Typical application: general purpose stream oriented transmission, authentication. This cipher feedback.